Students, now I am going to discuss question number 4 of exercise 8.1. Write each of the following as decimal. See the first example. Here it is given 5 by 10 and we have to convert this into decimal form. 5 by 10 we can write as 0.5 in decimal form. The next example is given 3 plus 7 by 10. Now 7 by 10 we can write as 0.7 in decimal, right? And 3 plus 0.7 is nothing but 3.7 in decimal. Now the next one, 200 plus 60. How much it is? 260. Plus 5. Now it's become 265. 1 by 10 we can write as 0.1 in decimal, right? Hence the decimal number will be 265.1. Now 70 plus 8 by 10. 8 by 10 we can write as 0.8 in decimal. And 70 plus 0.8 is nothing but 70.8. 88 divided by 10. 88 divided by 10 we can write as 8.8 in decimal form. Students, now take some more example. You can see here it is given 4 and 2 by 10. 4 and 2 by 10 we can write as 4 plus 2 by 10. Now 2 by 10 means 0.2 in decimal, right? And 4 plus 0.2 is nothing but 4.2 in decimal. Next example we have 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is the fraction form and again we have to convert it into decimal form. But before converting it into decimal, first we have to make the denominator 10. Because the nearest number of 2 is 10 having 0 at one end. Having 0 at the end, right? So to make the denominator 10, we need to multiply denominator by 5. Now since the denominator is getting multiplied by 5, numerator need to be multiplied by 5. So here you can see I am going to multiply numerator and denominator both by the same number 5. So it will be 15 by 10 now, right? And 15 by 10 is nothing but 1.5 in decimal. Similarly, you can do the last one. 2 by 5 is the fraction form and again we have to convert it into decimal form. So again to convert it into decimal form, first we make the denominator 10 because the nearest number of 5 is 10 having 0 at end, right? Now when the denominator will be 10? When you multiply 5 by 2. So here I am going to multiply the numerator and denominator both by the same number 2. So it will be 4 by 10 and 4 by 10 is nothing but 0.4 in decimal. Children, now we solve the question number 5. Write the following decimals as fraction. Here in this question, decimal numbers are given to you and you are asked to write them in fraction form. Further, you are asked to reduce the fraction to its lowest term. Now, see the first decimal number, it is 0.6. And how will you convert it into this fraction form? See, to convert this 0.6 into fraction form, we have to remove this decimal point. And when you remove this decimal point, 1 0 will come down. So it will be 6 by 10 in fraction form. Now in the same question, we are asked to reduce the fraction to its lowest term as well. So how will you reduce the 6 by 10 to its lowest term? See, in 6 and 10, 2 is the common factor, right? So if we divide both numerator and denominator by the same number 2, what will you get? 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10. So 3 by 5 is the lowest term of the given fraction 6 by 10. Now the next decimal number is 2.5. 2.5 will be 25 by 10 in fraction form. Now in 25 and 10, 5 is the common factor. So if you divide 25 by 5, you will get 5. 5 5s are 25. And 5 2s are 10. So 5 by 2 is the lowest term of the given fraction. The next decimal number is 1.0. 1.0 is same as 1. But if you want to write it in a fraction, how will you write it? 10 by 10. And 10 by 10 is same as 1. Taking the last example, 3.8 is the decimal number. 3.8 will be 38 by 10 in fraction. And how will you reduce this fraction to its lowest term? Can you recognize any common factor in 38 and 10? Yes, 2 is the common factor. So if you divide 38 by 2, you will get 19. And if you divide 10 by 2, you will get 5. So 19 by 5 is the lowest term of the given fraction 38 by 10.